This is a continuation from my last video. As I promised, I was going to do a video on how to test a fuel injector. If you want to improve the way you repair vehicles, you need to have access to wiring diagrams or service information. It really helps a lot. So these are diagrams that I got from, it comes from a 1998, 99, 98 through 2001 Honda CR-V. I'm going to show you how to test the fuel injector. So over here we have a relay. This is a relay. The relay is a ground and is controlled by your ignition. When you turn your key into ignition, power is sent through, voltage is sent, 12 volts is sent through this 15 amp fuse down to this relay coil. And as it gets activated, the relay closes on the load side and it sends battery voltage through this wire to your injectors. So with your key on, you should have battery voltage on pin 1, 2, 3, 4 of these different injectors. The way to identify which wire is your power wire, just check for the wire that's identical. You can see injector 1 has a yellow black wire, injector 2 has a yellow black wire, injector 3 has a yellow black wire, and injector 4 has a yellow black wire. That is your power wire. So to test this circuit here, what you do, you connect your test light to battery negative, touch the wire that's identical to the other injectors, turn your key to ignition on, your test light should light up. And then to test your control comes from the engine computer on this model. The control wires are all different. As you can see, this one is brown, this one is red, this one is blue, and this one is yellow. To test it with the test light, take your test light, connect it to battery positive, and you touch on one of the wires. Crank the vehicle, the light should flash on and off. Now let's go to the vehicle and do this test. So we're here, guys. Just hold for me, please. Orange. On injector 1, this is your power wire. You can see it's orange on this connector. On this connector is orange. On all of the connectors, you can see we have an orange and a different color wire. So this is your power to your injectors. This is your control. Let's check the power. We've got an incandescent test light here. We're gonna connect it to battery negative. Always check your test light if it's working fine. You can see it's flashing. Sorry, you can see it's lit. Come this side. So your test light is going to light up if it finds the ground, if it finds the power. So I'm gonna send my wife. My wife is helping me to record this video. She's going to turn the ignition to on position. Wait guys, let me just going to get something to help us. So you can see we're front probing the orange wire. I'm only gonna do it on 2 injectors. My wife is going to turn the ignition to the on position, and let's take a look at our test light. Ignition on, just ignition on. You can see our test light lights. Ignition off, on. You can see it lights. Let's do it on the next injector. Orange wire. This is our orange wire. We're going to do the same on the orange wire. She's going to turn the ignition on. Let's keep an eye on our test light. Ignition on. Our test off. On. You can see guys, we have a good power. So now we're gonna check the control.